am here to do more videos. I am so excited to be doing more videos, and I thought the best way to kick off the new and improved Daisyhead by Mary was to unbox this baby. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at it in all of its glory. It's so big. It's so big. It covers up most of me, which is great because Mama might have gained a few pounds. Alrighty, I'm gonna unbox this, and then next video is going to be swatches. I am so excited to unveil the innards of this. I know that a lot of you have probably already seen it through other people's channels, but you haven't seen me open it, so. Also, shout out to my friend Elizabeth, who, in my time of need, mailed me these beautiful rose gold ears. I wish I could say that I've been to Disneyland or Disney World recently, but I haven't. The last time was a few years ago. It's been a hot minute since I've been to Disney. I miss it. I miss home. Can't wait to go back. Anyways, let's get to this. So first things first, when you open it up, oh my gosh, this is some of the best packaging I've... Really though? Take two. This is some of the best packaging that I've ever seen. This is the PR box that they sent out to people. Some people got this for free. Lucky them. I had to pay money for it. It's fine. I'm not bitter at all. But this is the PR package, and I had to buy this whole PR package because it is so beautiful. I love that it has the Disney princesses and their designer Disney princesses. The only thing I'm a little salty about is, where's my girl Mulan? Where's she at? Where's the Asian representation? Well, okay, there's Jasmine. Okay, so I guess I can't really complain about that, right? Because Jasmine here. Although Agrabah is a fake place, so I don't know. Anyways, I'm getting off track. I'm just so excited about this that it's got me all confuzzled. So inside we have the eyeshadow palette. We've got the Luxe Lips lipstick set. We've got the 3 lip glosses right here, and then this is the Super Shock shadows that came in the PR package. Now there are a few items that didn't come in this package, and that's sad. I don't really understand why. Maybe they just felt like they didn't have space in the box. I don't know. Anyways, I didn't get 2 of the Super Shocks that didn't come. I didn't realize that there were extra Super Shocks, so I'm gonna try to get those. And then I did manage to get 1 of the highlighters, but I didn't get the other one. It sold out while I was in line to check out. So sad, so sad. But I got most of it, and that's what I'm pleased about. And I got this. So that's all that matters, really, is that I got this. I got this baby. Oh my gosh, so awesome. The best packaging. The only packaging I think that could even sort of rival it would be the Urban Decay Alice in Wonderland. If y'all remember when this big, oh, do you want to see my pup? Say hi, Ruby. Say hi. Say hi, Ruby. That's my dog. This is precious. Anyways, I don't know if y'all remember when this came out, but I think this was some stunning packaging. The eyeshadow palette pulls out here, but obviously this rivals that. Sorry, Urban Decay. Anyways, let's get to the innards of this beautiful package. I'm being weird. It's because I'm so excited to be filming a video. Let's be honest. It's been a hot minute. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to crack into is the eyeshadow palette. So it's called It's a Princess Thing. Gorgeous. It has our lovely designer princesses on the front, and then on the back it has all of the shades. And the shades are so cute. They're all named after Disney characters. So we've got Chip, Juju, Grumpy, Triton, Abu, Thingabobob. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use Thingabobob just because I love the name. Fairy Godmother, Magic Carpet, Poison Apple. So we've got some great names. Inside, I kid you not, Disney princess autograph signatures. Gorgeous. So I just want to talk about this for just a second. We've got Jasmine, Tiana, Snow White, Cinderella, Ariel, and Belle. I love them all. Who is your favorite? I'm curious to know who your favorite is from these more old school movies. My favorite is probably Belle, if we're gonna be honest. I mean, my absolute favorite is probably Aurora, but she's not a part of this. Apparently wasn't good enough. It's fine, whatever, not salty. But Belle, gotta love a girl who reads, right? So inside we've got the eyeshadows. So it's a pretty neutral palette with some pops of pink, which kind of makes sense because princesses, pink, whatever. I will be doing swatches of this eyeshadow palette later, but I don't want to wreck it up before I take some pictures. So I'm gonna do that first. But this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like in all of its beautiful, beautiful glory. I love it. It's fabulous. Okay, next I'm gonna get into the Luxe lipsticks. They also come in a little box that have the princesses on it. This is the Kiss the Girl Luxe Lip Bundle. So cute. We have Tiana, Ariel, Belle, Jasmine, Snow White, and Cinderella. Again, it's all gonna be the same princesses. So when you open it up, you can see the gorgeous Luxe lipstick packaging. I loved the original Luxe lipstick packaging, but they've kind of zhuzhed it up for this collection. They've zhuzhed it, and I love that they've zhuzhed it. And each one has the signature of the princesses, all of the princesses around the packaging. So you can see all of their signatures. So they just like really went out in the packaging for all of these. So this first one is Cinderella, and it's a lovely little light pink. Really, really nice, very subtle. I'm really happy with the shades that they chose for each princess, I'll be honest. The next one is Snow White. So obviously had to go red for her because her lips are, as we know, blood red. So they went all out for that. The next princess we have, if I can get this back in the packaging and get another one out. Alrighty, the next one we have is Jasmine, and she is a hot pink. And I'm not quite sure why they chose hot pink for her. I'm guessing just because like she wore very vibrant, colorful outfits throughout Aladdin, but I'm okay with it. I like the hot pink, and I will wear the hot pink very much. Y'all know how I feel about pink. Pink lipstick, pink, pink, pink. Alrighty, next is Belle, and we've got a really nice neutral flip for Belle. I think that this is appropriate because she's not as like glitzy and glammy a princess, except for her moment in the yellow dress, of course. But she is just a little bit more understated, and so I think that a neutral is a really good choice for her. Next we have Ariel, another neutral. Now this one I'm a little bit disappointed about. I feel like they should have gone with like a really vibrant orange red to match her hair, or something else. I don't know, something more fancy than a neutral, but she was also 16, so maybe they're basing it off of like the colors that she would wear under the sea, and maybe she wouldn't be wearing a bright, garish orange red. Maybe Triton. Y'all hear my dog? Maybe King Triton 86, that idea. And then the last one is Tiana, and we've got a dark color for her. I think this would look beautiful, obviously, on darker skin tones, but it'll look good on pretty much anyone who's willing to take the risk. Y'all know I'm gonna take the risk. So that is our Luxe lipstick set. Alrighty, we're cooking with oil now, kids. We're cooking with oil now. Next thing I'm gonna open up are the Super Shock eyeshadows. So for those of you not familiar with ColourPop, they've released what are called Super Shock eyeshadows. This is kind of what made them famous in the first place. This is kind of all that they were selling in the beginning, along with their lippy sticks. And these are not a gel. They're, I think the best way that you can describe them is maybe like a cushion eyeshadow. I don't know. It's kind of hard to describe them. They're really different. You can apply them with your finger. You can apply them with a synthetic brush. They pack a punch. These are the most intense eyeshadows you will ever find. They are so beautiful. I own a ton of them. So these are the colors. Ooh, I'll show you two at a time. So these are the colors we have inside. This one is Be Our Guest. And this one is So This Is Love. And then this one is A Whole New World, and this one is Almost There. I don't really know what that means. Anyways, this is called the Fairy Tale Moment collection. So This Is Love is an ultra metallic, A Whole New World is an ultra glitter, Be Our Guest is an ultra metallic, and Almost There is an ultra glitter. So I'll open these up so you can see inside. This is Be Our Guest. Be our guest, be our guest, our service to the test. Then this one is So This Is Love. A really nice kind of taupey, shimmery, metallic-y. This will look good on the lid. Then the A Whole New World is a really gorgeous, cool toned purple. And this will look awesome if you pair this with the Jasmine lipstick. I mean, let's be honest, that'll be gorgeous. And then this one, Almost There, is a really nice, deep kind of coffee brown. So I wonder if this was Tiana. I'll be really honest. I started The Princess and the Frog and I couldn't get into it, and so I didn't finish it. Oh, does that make me the worst Disney fan ever? I don't know. I just wasn't into it. Maybe I need to give it another try because I've seen pretty much all the other ones, all the other Disney movies in existence, and I think I just need to try it again. I think maybe I wasn't in the right frame of mind. I think that you just need to be in some sort of a mood to be watching that, and I wasn't, so. And then our very last items that we're gonna open up are those lip glosses. Now, I am not a huge lip gloss fan. I'm gonna keep them, of course, because I want to preserve the entire collection, but I don't know that I will be wearing these all that often. I'll give them a try though. I will. So, the first one we're opening up is Bibbidi. Bibbidi is definitely a lipstick topper. This is going to be probably just to add mega shine to it. And I will say that the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip formula is a really, really nice one. It's creamy, it's not sticky at all, and they're actually quite pigmented, which is nice. So if I am going to wear a lip gloss, it's gonna be a ColourPop Ultra Gloss. An extra glossy lip. Next one is Bobbity. Bobbity is this kind of peachy color, and I will show you the inside. This is the applicator that they give ya, just a regular doe foot applicator. I like these applicators fine. So that's Bobbity. And I hope the last one is named Boo. It's named Boo. Again, I'm probably just gonna wear this just because I can say, oh, what lip gloss is this? It's Boo. It's Boo. And that is a really lovely mauve, kind of neutral pink color. So that is the full collection, you guys. I am so excited to get into this, to try it all out. I have a lot of like really awesome Disney looks, inspired looks for you guys in mind that I'm going to be popping up on Instagram. And I definitely can't wait to crack open all of these and do some swatches. So next video will be swatches. I just didn't want this one to be like crazy long and for you to be like, can we get on with it? So anyways, swatches will be next video. I can't wait. Thank you so much for those of you who have kind of been waiting for me to come back. As a lot of you know, my health hasn't been very good. We're kind of on the upswing, I hope. And anyways, I like to think that I'm back now. So happy Disney Day to you. I hope you have the most princessy day you could possibly have. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.